So we are headed out. We hit the I-10 by 10:45. And this is trip traffic. That's what I call it. Everybody's going out of town. And Sasha's back there with her doll and my phone.
And Rico.
And we're going to drop Rico off, and he's nervous. There's Layla and her heart sunglasses. Hi, Layla.
He just peed on me.
Oh, my gosh. He's nervous.
He peed on my leg.
Bad reek.
He's nervous.
Okay, well, we're going to drop him off at my mom's. So, and then we're going to head out.
You even did.
Check it out, y'all. We're here. Look at this. That's their dome, I guess, or their stadium.
Is that a hotel?
No, it's a stadium. And
So there's Crockett, there's Marriott.
yeah,
My hair's so soft.
it's probably coming up.
Is Michael Myers here? Michael Myers here?
No,
Man.
there's a mall. Macy's. Is that it? No, that's the Marriott. Okay. That looks old. Maybe that's it over there. Oh, we're here. So cute.
Oh, Paloma?
This is a nice entry to the city. Yes. Look at that old. What is that? Medicine. Internal medicine. So we must be downtown. In the historical area. So is that? Where is the Alamo? These buildings are old. So it's like really.
In half a mile, turn right onto Avenue E.
Look at that giant. Is that an aloe vera? Oh my god, look how huge it is.
Worry that
Check it out.
I don't know how to worry.
Don't worry. Be happy.
It's a 70.
Ooh, 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 ooh.
That's an 80, so he's got to be up here.
Yeah. Look at all these old buildings. I think I see them. I think that's it with the like castle top. That's it.
I see it.
You see it? Look at that old house.
Man, that is old.
That is. I know that's haunted.
I know that's haunted.
I know that's haunted.
You're gonna find a Ouija board as soon as you went in. You'd be like,
That's a church too.
oh, Ouija board.
Ooh, that's a weird church. Look, that's a weird looking church. Look like it used to be a house. There's even chimneys. Strange.
And then people died in there because the Ouija board attacked them.
Oh God.
The end.
Why are you so morbid, Layla?
You're morbider than me. You work
More
with
morbid.
You
More
work
morbid.
with dead bodies.
More morbid, not morbider.
Morbider.
Okay, guys, this is it. That's it with the castle thing on the
In a
top.
quarter of a mile, turn left onto East Houston Street.
But that's not even a quarter of a mile.
I don't know which
It's
one.
about
Is
a quarter of a mile.
Okay. Ooh, look at it. Looks. Which one is it?
That one.
Yeah, it lights up at night. The little tower. And it looks like it used to be an old hospital, doesn't it? There it is.
That's it right there, right?
Uh-huh. The Emily Morgan. It's a DoubleTree Hilton Hotel.
They turn on Houston Street. But that's it, right? It says right there, right?
I think so.
Okay.
Wait, let me look at my
It look
phone.
like it.
That's it. Okay.
It
It says 500 feet, turn onto East Houston Street. Destination is on your left.
Yeah. East Houston must be the light up there.
That's it.
Okay.
Look at this old building. Gosh.
Just go in
This
there
is the
and see it.
newspaper. Huh?
They ought to go in there and see if we can check in early.
Okay.
Since we got here early.
They'll probably let us.
Yeah.
It's an hour. So Emily Morgan used to be known as Emily West, and she was known as the Yellow Rose of Texas. She won Santa Anna's heart, a Mexican general, and she was a former slave girl, and that's who the hotel is named after. The Emily Morgan Hotel was once a medical arts building, and it was a hospital, psychiatric ward. There was a morgue on the bottom floor. So it's haunted, I would say. That's just a little background info for you. And back in the old days, people were not donating their bodies to science, so the medical industry was very short of cadavers. So you would see a lot of grave robbing going on, and I am sure they were taking them to this hospital and many others around the area. But if you look up grave robberies in the 1920s, they were very rampant. So I'm sure this hotel has seen lots of grave robbery cadavers as well, for some background info for you guys. Oh. Got a room already. Huh?
Yeah, we'll hit the river wall. Right. We want to go to, she's interested in the Alamo. Right.
We have a house car just in case we go like 3 miles around the area. We can pay you for free.
Okay.
It's a Mercedes-Benz.
Mm-hmm.
We usually have it parking in the front. Can you allow me this side?
Sure. No problem.
And just you need to call down and make the reservations and we'll take you.
Okay.
It's pretty good with restaurant names and all that stuff.
All right.
We have a very nice restaurant that is called Rainforest Cafe. It's a very familiar restaurant, you know, like you can take the kids and all that stuff. I don't know if you've been before.
What floor?
4.
Oh, cool.
What is the number, sir? 405?
405?
405.
All right.
Look at that cute Bible.
The school is going to be open until 11 p.m. It's
Just read.
no one.
Okay, we're here.
Thank you. Is this the room? Very nice.
You guys keep ahead and get organized, but we gotta wait to before we head out. We gotta wait for Joe and them to arrive.
No, it's okay. We won't do it in here. We'll do it in Judy's room.
We'll do it in Jenny's room.
Getting all organized. Getting organized. Gonna work.
I don't do that. I can live like y'all live.
You getting ready to work?
Y'all live out the box.
You like it, Sash?
Yeah, but I want to call Jenny.
Okay, let's call Jenny. Our view is so pretty. Look at that. This is nice.
Nice. And I mean, this is the back of the Alamo.
This is a great view. Look at this. These giant hospital windows are
Yeah, I cannot wait to go to
nice.
Because it's a restaurant.
Oh, we gotta look that up. Paloma.
Yeah, a real restaurant.
Cute. And I'll give y'all a tour of the room. That's probably the original room.
Nice office.
This is the bathroom. Let me turn some lights on. Dark in here. Here we go. And that's the mirrors. And the sink area. So nice. So it's like really cute. And then these doors close for privacy. Like so. And you can get naked. Yeah. Whoa. You excited?
Yeah, we are excited to death.
To death?
I'm not excited. I'm excited. Like, just excited.
All right. So, look at this little cute coffee maker. Oh my gosh. It's like a little baby Keurig. I don't know if it's a Keurig, but it's like a one little pot coffee thingy. So cute. Whoops. Of course, the kids already have one cartoon.
Yeah.
And then this is the entry.
Oh.
There's like a mirror there. You enter the room. Carpet. Let's go in the hallway.
I will just text me or send me a picture or whatever.
Oh. Go, Sweetie. We're in room 405. I gotta look that up. Oh, we have the view of the Alamo. Look at that.
Can I take this one?
Cookies.
Sash, come here.
What kind of cookies are they?
Sash.
Chocolate chip in queso, no?
Sounds good.
Here, Sash.
Look, there's our view. What building is this? Is this the Alamo?
Right there. There's the, oh my goodness, the entrance is right there. You guys want to go on the horse and carriage too, right?
I never got to with Cinderella.
Is this the Alamo or is this something else?
No.
It's the Alamo.
That's the Alamo
What?
right there.
Okay.
Sir, my name is Nathaniel. I'm going to be around if you need me, okay?
Okay, sounds good.
You want me to bring you ice or you good?
Yeah, go ahead and bring up the rest rice. You don't mind.
I'm coming back right now.
Here you go. Just stick that in your
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
Wait,
Is that your bed, Layla? Did you claim it?
No, you don't.
like,
So, yes, we're trying to get back down the elevator. I think that's it. Huh? Are you all going down?
yes.
Okay, thank you.
Alright.
Okay, y'all, we're going to go down where the morgue was. The morgue was down here. See those big giant doors? I think that was it. These are the lobbies, I guess. See if I feel anything or smell anything. Sasha, come here. I have an ATM. It smells right now. That's because it's a bathroom. There's a restroom. You gotta go to the restroom? Yeah. Okay, let's go to the Alamo. This is where the morgue used to be. Down here. Yeah. Hi, Sasha. That's a nice chair. It's so royal. Look at this, guys. Look at this giant fireplace. And that's James Bowie. I don't know who that is. I'm not. So that's like if you want to go right around, they'll take you anywhere you want. It looks like a hearse, doesn't it? It looks like a Mercedes. Oh, look. You can play online. Top of the line. You can log on. Maybe I can upload a video here to my Facebook. Whatever. Come on, Sasha.
I see creepy people.
Where?
Up there.
Creepy people? Yeah, let's go. Oh, I like this song.
What? Is that from Michael Jackson?
So, this is the Alamo. Ooh, it smells good. So many restaurants around here. The Shrine to Texas Liberty. Okay, I hope you don't have to pay to get in.
Hey, Mom, that's the end of the walk. That's the end of the walk.
Go to hell, Texas. Okay. This is like a gift shop. Where's the rest of it? Oh, we're in the gift shop. Let's go. Here's like a replica.
I want to go with you. Me too. Well, that's
Better.
Is that the place to
So we're inside the Alamo area. Okay. Let's go in. Oh, we got to start at the beginning, which is over here. It's a lot of people.
goes away.
So we are at the Alamo, and you can see our hotel from here.
And talk with you.
So that's our hotel. Cool, huh? Okay, so this is the famous part that you always see. This is it, Sasha, look. Is this what you recognize? Is this what you always recognize? All right. So we were going to go to the Alamo, but look how long this line is. And that ain't happening. I'll take them early in the morning before we leave. Early in the morning. But they have like a Guinness Book of World Records Museum, Ripley's, and then they have the Wax Museum, and then they have Haunted Adventures. So I might go to Haunted Adventures. That would be cool. There's the Ripley's, Believe It or Not. And look how many people are here, guys. Oh my God, so many. So we're gonna go and check out that haunted thing over there.
Holding contest, but I can't take any more. I can only do 8 guys. So once I get 8 men, that's all I can do.
Yo, so going up on the little bridge. Look how pretty. Yeah. Is it going? Yeah. Okay.
Remind me, is it just like this, or is it one hand?
I think 2. Okay. So no bad spirits come through. Only good spirits. Okay. What do you want to ask?
Is someone here with us right now? Okay, I guess not.
Okay. Maybe we should like move it around.
This is moving around too much. Here, put my foot on it.
What's your name? I said F. F.
You sure you want to keep doing this?
Mm-hmm. How old are you? Mm-hmm.
Do you feel it move?
Mm-hmm. Are you in this room with them?
W? Are we supposed to be moving it around?
I don't know.
It's like, it doesn't feel like it's smooth, right?
Mm-hmm.
Baby, do you remember how to do the Ouija board? Do we move it like this?
No,
like,
you're not supposed to move it.
not move it at all, right?
No, you need to put it sideways and have 3 points of contact. Actually 6. You need to put 3 fingers
What,
and
like
both
this?
hands on there.
Oh,
Turn around, put it on your lap.
like this?
Yeah, you want like that because you want pull. You want energy in there. And put it sideways if you want, and then make sure you both put 3-4 fingers in each hand. The tip somewhere on the edge.
Like this?
Yes, and then you gotta concentrate. You gotta picture. You gotta focus. Focus yourself out there trying to talk to somebody. And then just let yourself just feel weightless. Just concentrate.
Someone here. What is your name? Five. What is your name? Is pushing you out? Are you pushing it? Chile. Chile. FTG. That's not making sense.
Okay, come on.
That's our hotel.
Yeah. Look at that giant tree. Isn't that beautiful?
They put next to a hospital.
Yes. Well, the hospital wasn't built until much later. So no. Look how big this tree is. Look how beautiful.
But it reaches out everywhere.
Yes, let's go get in line because it's going to start getting long.
Much trees.
See? There's a line already. It's the Alamo. Oh, look, they have the yellow roses.
The yellow rose of Texas.
Let's go get in line and buy the tickets.
Where's the wall?
They're just letting the first crowd in. Look at that beautiful fountain in the middle of the courtyard. We're in the halls of the Alamo.
You know what's so weird yesterday?
That's how it looks above it. What?
When on the commercial.
Look at this line, you guys.
Marriott Courtyard and
Yes.
on the commercial. And then I saw one right across the street from
Sasha? Look at this beautiful fountain.
There's water, Mom.
Like a pool?
I did. Yeah.
Yeah. It makes me want to go swimming. We have to get Daddy to clean out the pool so we can go swim.
We could just swim in here.
Isn't this beautiful? Oh my God, what a beautiful day. Look at this. Look at this tree we're under. Yeah, I would love to have this tree in my yard. Look at this. Oh my gosh. This tree is awesome. That tree is, look, oh my God, look how long it is. So huge.
Oh my gosh.
I love these type of trees.
Look what I got.
What'd you get? Oh yeah, one of those coin thingies.
We don't get them all the time.
Where's Sasha?
Where are Sasha?
Sasha! Get back here. Don't fall in. Don't fall. If Sasha falls in, I'm gonna laugh.
Compressed natural gas.
We live in like
There's
the
a
suburbs,
huge
like
tank
Centennial,
under my feet.
Colorado.
Number 3, stay inside the blue rails.
Have you been there?
Number 4, at the bow, under the blue doors. We have 43 life jackets. We have a safe record. We've never used them. The river's 3 to 5 feet deep. You fall in, stand up, and look out.
She was cooking night and day, every Dominique and Hattie. She'd lovers by the score, till she wouldn't marry. Till she fell in love with a fellow that had a stammer. He tried to run away. She hit him with a hammer.
The Arneson River Theater. Did you see the movie Miss Congeniality? Swimsuit contest was filmed on that stage. Did you see the boat that passed by there in the movie? Did y'all see the boat captain who was in the movie? Somebody else. Hey, look overhead. There are gray birds nesting overhead. Yellow crown night heron. That bird's the reason I wear this hat. They're nocturnal. At night, they're on the river catching crawfish. On our right side, the Briscoe Western Art Museum, named to honor former governor, the late Dolph Briscoe. Overhead, Pressa Street Bridge, built in 1890 by the Berlin Iron Bridge Company of East Berlin, Connecticut. On our right side, Marriage Island, a very popular wedding spot under the cypress tree. Marriage Island, it's considered to bring good luck when you get married there. I got a good buddy of mine, he got married here 3 times. How many couples do we have on board the boat? Couples? The tunnel of love. Sir, it's a family. No, Dan, we can't go through it again. Now, this is the old mill crossing. Back in the 1800s, there was a mill on the right bank of the river, the Nate Lewis Mill. They ground wheat grain. Right here below the mill, the river right ahead of us, Bear County Courthouse. It opened 1896. Bear County's 4th courthouse. Architect James Riley Gordon. Architectural style Richardson Romanesque. On our right side, the International Center. Originally a library, today trade offices for NAFTA, restaurants, and marina. Floodgate 4 rises out of the river like a drawbridge. Down to our left, Floodgate 5. Look back behind us. Floodgate 5, it's a dam. The San Antonio River, it drops off 15 feet down there to Floodgate 5. The river flows south through the King William Historic District to neighborhoods settled by German immigrants. South of there, the Mission Reach. They had the grand opening 4 years ago. They added 8 miles of riverwalk, hike, bike, jogging trails, paddling trails. You could canoe and kayak south of downtown, the Mission Reach. We now have 14.5 miles of riverwalk. The San Antonio River, it flows southeast 131 miles through 6 counties, meeting up with the Guadalupe River 10 miles from San Antonio Bay. Straight ahead of us, the North Channel. The river is spring fed 4 miles north of here. Up on the tested daily every afternoon between 12:15. Look on the right side of our boat. There's a fig tree growing right out of the wall of the Bella restaurant. Then you head right up the stairs to the Esquire Tavern, 1933, right after prohibition was repealed. The bar's 109 feet long, the Esquire Tavern. On our right side, one of our other locations. Same tours, 3 locations. The Aztec Theater, opened 1926. The front of the theater, right upstairs on St. Mary Street, it closed in 1984. Eventually was restored and reopened 2006. The Aztec Theater. Hey, did you see the movie Selena, starring Jennifer Lopez, J-Lo? The footbridge was in the movie. One of the scenes in the movie Selena, Jennifer Lopez was sitting on the bridge. Did you see the boat captain who was in the movie? On our left, the Omni La Mansión del Rio, the hotel opened for the 1968 World's Fair Hemisphere. The site was originally St. Mary's School for Boys, founded 1853. It evolved into St. Mary's University and School of Law. St. Mary's outgrew the downtown campus. They relocated northwest of here. Hey, I'm going to show you an optical illusion, the Knicks Hospital.
Oh, wait.
From down here, it looks like a 26-story wall. Look straight up in the air on our left. Look straight up. The Knicks Hospital, 1930. There's Dick's Last Resort, also known as the Recovery Room. Those people had brain surgery this morning. Carol Burnett and Oliver North were born here. Now look up high, straight ahead of us. The Hyatt Regency Riverwalk. The hotel opened 1981. They limited the height of a walkway to the Alamo. The Paseo del Alamo, the passage to the Alamo. Have you been to the Alamo? I have relatives who fought there. My aunt and uncle fought there last week. And look overhead, we have the Crockett Street Bridge. It is identical to the Preston Street Bridge. On our right side, the Casino Club building. It opened in 1927. The Casino Club was a German social club founded by the German immigrants, 1853. There are apartments upstairs One of the apartments was once home to a well-known author, Alex Haley. He wrote the book Roots. It became a television miniseries, 1977.
You did hard work, see it in your eyes.
Now look up on the right side of our boat, the Clifford Building, 1941. Robert Hugman, father of the Riverwalk, the architect who designed the Riverwalk, had his office where the restaurant is, proving a business could survive here. You'll see his name below the green railing and the brand new bust of Hugman placed here last summer. On our right side, Casa Rio, 1946, the oldest restaurant on the Riverwalk. Now look high, straight ahead of us, the Hilton Palacio del Rio, the palace on the river. H.B. Zachary built the hotel in 202 working days, 7.5 months, opening just in time for the 1968 World's Fair. Modular construction, the rooms were stacked like Legos. Built at H.B. Zachary headquarters 8 miles southwest of here. Carried up here on flatbed trucks, lifted with cranes that stacked like Legos. And we have an art and craft show, sponsored by the Paseo del Rio Association, Spanish for Riverwalk. We're now in the man-made hemisphere extension, built for the 1968 World's Fair hemisphere. They excavated, landscaped, planted trees, built the Chamber of Commerce on our left. There used to be a gym right now. The Henry B. Gonzalez Convention Center, named to honor the first Hispanic elected to the U.S. Congress. Henry B. Gonzalez was elected to the U.S. House of Representatives in 1961. He served 18 terms. He passed away. His son, Charlie Gonzalez, held the seat. Charlie retired 3 years ago. We had 7 million visitors for the World's Fair. Average about 30 million visitors. Bald cypress Epnes, native Montezuma cypress do not. The mallard ducks like to lay up in amongst the knees. The ducks are camouflaged in and amongst the cypress knees. And look over there, you can't. Because opened for the 1968 World's Fair hemisphere, 622 feet to the rooftop, 750 feet to the top of the antenna, the second tallest freestanding observation tower in the United States. The tallest is the Stratosphere in Las Vegas at 1,000 feet. Our tower, 622. Seattle Space Needle, 606. The tower has the observation level at the very top, and below that, the Chart House restaurant. The Chart House revolves. On our left, the Lila Cockrell Theater, named to honor the city's first female mayor. Near the top of the theater, the Confluence of Civilization mural, the work of a well-known artist from Mexico, Juan O'Gorman. 400,000 1-inch polished stone. And look up on the right side of our boat, you have another view of the Confluence of Civilization. The artist Juan O'Gorman, he did the work in Mexico City. It took over a year to complete. White out panels. A total of 400 stones, 11 different natural colored stones, quarried from 7 countries, confluence of civilization. I look high on the right side of our boat. The Grand Hyatt Convention Center Hotel. It opened 8 years ago, 32 stories, 1,004 hotel rooms. When Rio San Antonio Cruises hired me yesterday, they asked me, Doug, how tall are you? I told them only about 5'4". Straight ahead of us, the statue San Antonio, the 12th century saint, born in Lisbon, Portugal. The river and city were named after him. June 13th of 1691, the feast day of St. Anthony. Father Damian Massanet held mass along the banks of the river. They named the river in honor of St. Anthony. The statue, a gift from Portugal for the World's Fair, Emma's Fair 1968. The statue was located over at Emma's Fair Park in the Portuguese Pavilion. After the World's Fair, they moved the statue down. I look up on our left, lemon tree. See the lemon near the top of the tree? On our left, they're opening a Margaritaville upstairs yard house. On our left, there's an orange tree. See the oranges? The shops at River Center. The Catholic St. Joseph's right up there on Commerce Street. Every 4th Sunday of the month, there's an all-male choir, the Liederkranz. They sing in German. St. Joseph's, 1868.
We're gonna eat in this old restaurant, La Paloma. Where's the host? Okay. We can go inside and get someone. We have to step up. It's like old school. Look at this door. It's like super old. Let's see. Can we sit outside? It's 4 of us.
How many? 4? Sure.
Yes. Come on, Sash. Let's see outside.
What if they put it in our food?
No, we're going to sit at a table.
What if they spit out our food?
We could sit like close to the door. Come on. Okay. Right by the river. Our table. Sorry. La Paloma.
And this is where Sasha's friend ate. So you eating at the same place your friend ate. This is it. Remember she told you to eat at Paloma? Yeah, this is it. So I got to take a picture and show it to her that I ate there. Charlie wants a burger. It's like Rico. It's like Rico up there.
Rico wants a burger.
Rico would not be asking. He'd be eating right now. You ever notice when you cook, if I'm in the kitchen cooking, right? Rico sneaks in here. You don't.
So we are at the La Paloma restaurant in
As
San
recommended
Antonio.
by Sasha.
On the Riverwalk.
Excellent choice, Miss Sasha.
Sasha's suggestion.
based on inputs from her colleague.
Her friend told her to come eat here in her class in her first grade.
Sasha
We're
has a
here.
colleague. Yeah, boy.
And Layla, how are you doing? Excited? Happy? You like okay. She said, that means yes. My lipstick keeps getting worn off. I guess I should have put some. No, I guess I should have. I didn't put any like all day lipstick on, just like some long. I keep licking my lips. It's not as humid as it is in Houston.
Swiping your lips with your tongue because you think you're thirsty.
I am thirsty. I'm waiting on my drink because
Which phone is
I'm used to that humid Houston weather.
Daddy's work phone. This is Daddy's
And
personal phone.
San Antonio is not as humid, so I get thirsty fast.
So,
Oh look.
can I have one?
You want to get you a phone with a, I'll get you, the games on it?
I have to get a smaller purse to like walk around this giant boardwalk. I'm gonna show y'all first. I got Betsy Johnson over. It's like this long strap that I just keep strapped around. Yeah. Convenient and it's cute.
Next Friday, next Saturday, next Friday.
We are having fun. We're headed back probably later on
Take y'all
today.
shopping.
And
let you pick some tennis shoes and let y'all pick out an outfit.
I guess I'll be trying to upload all
Think
these
about what y'all
videos and
want.
show you
What
guys
you
what we
want to look
do.
like.
Look at this dog. He's scared to drive. Ah! Rico, are you scared? Are you nervous?
And that's what happened.
But he chases cars in the street. But he's scared to be in a car.
Because he's not in control. He's in control of them cars on the street.
Rico's scared of cars.
Rico, it's okay, Rico.
Is that one of the dogs that got out?